Hello, welcome. It's another exciting time in Bloom's Kitchen. The festive season is fast approaching. So today I'm going to be giving you a very special recipe you can use to entertain your guests for your functions, or you can enjoy it as a special treat. We are going to be making Nigerian Suya. This is very versatile and you can add any ingredient of your choice. Feel free to adjust the spice to your level. If you haven't subscribed, this will be a fantastic time to do so. Don't forget to click on the like button, share these videos with your friends, turn on your notification. That way you see new videos I release every week. I'll be right back and we'll get straight to the ingredients. Keep watching. Welcome back. So for our suya today, I'm going to be using beef. This is pre-cut beef. So it was already cut in the store. And then for my spices, I'm using 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon nutmeg. If you have calabash nutmeg, you can use that instead. Otherwise, use your regular nutmeg. If you cannot find nutmeg, sometimes I even swap it for like pepper soup spice. And then I'm using 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, a 1/4 cup of onion powder, 1/2 cup of ginger powder, 1 cup of peanut butter powder. So this recipe I'm showing you is using peanut butter powder. So I know some of you like to use kuli kuli. I will show that in another recipe. And here I have a 1/4 cup of chili pepper. If that is too much for you, you can reduce it. If you don't have chili pepper and you're using cayenne, then you want to use maybe just 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper so it's not super hot, or we just say to taste. Optional, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cloves. Some of you also like to use the other black long African pepper, but I have it, but I don't want to use that today. I'm just going to use the black pepper instead. And then for my garnish, I'm going to be using tomatoes, onions, and cucumber. And then for the oil, I'm going to fry this little onion inside of my peanut oil. So for this recipe, I'm using peanut oil. You can use any oil of choice, or even if you have oil you have used in frying before, because it already has flavor, that will also work fine. Don't forget now to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to start right away by prepping the oil, and then we'll blend the spices together. And I want this to marinate for at least 30 minutes. If I'm doing this for a client, then I marinate over a few hours. If I'm doing it for myself, but because we are filming, I'm just going to marinate for 30 minutes. I'll be right back and we'll continue. have it. Our suya is ready with our garnish of cucumber, tomatoes, onions. You can add cabbage or whatever you want to add. And here I have a little bit more spice for those of you who like to dip your suya in extra spice, or you want to sprinkle a little bit more. And then what I like to do is wrap the remaining one in foil. That way it helps to keep the heat. You see, that is still very hot. So that way you don't want the whole thing to get cold. So give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe if you haven't. And until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.